I never had an ambition for Michelin stars. I thought maybe one day I might get a star. I just wanted to cook. And I spent hours and hours and hours and hours cooking and tasting and questioning. And I want to pass that on. I want to pass that on because I love being human. I love the fact that I can be aware of becoming potentially more aware all the time. And I love discovering. I love being curious, I love playfulness, I love adventure, I love all of these things. And cooking and eating and working together as a team gives the opportunity for doing that. We've been working together for some time now on, and I'm not taking, it's very good for me to sit and take the credit, but you know, the guys here have worked incredibly hard at putting together something that I think needs to exist in this country and doesn't yet. And what we're doing there is we're losing, it's the same thing with cooking. When in the kitchen, I remember just slicing a leek and wondering how it would taste half a centimetre from the root and a centimetre from the root. And what happens if I sliced it this way or I sliced it this way? Just put it in your mouth and have a taste. And I think we've forgotten that, but the great thing is it's relatively, potentially easy to get back.
I think the interesting thing is his experimentation and his curiosity with chemistry is something that our students would normally shy away from. And from what we've seen today, our chefs have absolutely thoroughly enjoyed the experimentation that he's encouraged. So it's changing people's attitudes to food. So I think that creativity, which is what we need in Britain from all of our employees, he really injects it. And it's his enthusiasm and passion for it is just infectious. The thing that is important about Heston is his actual love of learning. He really gets our learning philosophy. He wants learning to be different. And also his own curiosity and experimentation made him the ideal person. Yes, there's some amazing chefs out there, but I think it's his interest in learning and neuroscience and mindfulness made him just such a good fit for us.